super flavorful, super nutritious for the body and the soul. DLD method. Really take 40 minutes only to prepare this thing. Let me show you. Yep. Hello baby. Hello baby. Hello baby. Good boy. Hey guys. And yes, I just come out from shower. I would like to show you the D&D method, the double up and cook for lunch and dinner method. I mean, since you're already cooking, might as well you cook more so that it can last you for lunch as well as for dinner. I mean, if you're cooking for dinner and you cook extra, then keep it as a leftover for the for the lunch the next day. Usually for lunch it is very simple for me. For us, it's just a soup and a veggie or a soup and an egg. And for dinner, then I will cook more protein to top it up. So I'm going to show you what I'm cooking now. Usually only during the busy weekdays. Busy weekdays that I will use slow cooker to cook, but for the weekends and public holidays such as this, I usually like to cook it with the pot. After I boil it, then I will put it on low fire and simmer it. And today I have corn soup with pork, carrot and radish, as well as some red dates. Put on some red beans as well as some barley inside. So this soup is super nutritious and it's going to be very yummy. That's it. Super easy. Gonna blow dry my hair. Yeah, I've done blowing my hair. Now I look more human. Since I'm cooking for lunch already, so I might as well just double it and keep it for dinner later lah. Which means by dinner comes, I have already soup ready. And this saves up my time, my energy. I don't have to stress when dinner comes, like cook so many times, especially during these long weekends. Try it. This is a method that has been passed down to me. Not passed down lah. These are all just easy tips and tricks for busy working mom. This is like easily adaptable, so maybe just give it a try. DLD, I love mom's method. This is like the super typical lunch in our household. This is the soup. Fresh soup, still hot. And I have stir-fried kangkong, air-fried chicken nuggets, half-eaten chicken porridge for baby, as well as omelette. And this is for lunch. So this soup is super flavorful, super nutritious for the body and the soul. Bon appetit. So yeah, the baby didn't want to sleep, but thankfully the big kids are asleep. So this is the window for me where I get to catch up on my housework and do all the things that I want to do. For now, I want to prep for dinner. Yes, hours before dinner, I prep for dinner. So for dinner, I already have soup. So I'm gonna take out some things to defrost and keep it in the refrigerator. Out to air fry. I remember I still have a piece of salmon, so probably I'm gonna do that. Have salmon and find something else to air fry because I want to do my things, and I'll probably just stir fry some more veggie for dinner, and I'll just call it a night. So yes, I'm taking this out, a piece of salmon as well as these tiger prawn rolls. Today is gonna be a lazy night. It's gonna rain soon anyhow. I think I'm just gonna opt for some air fry stuff, and then now is my time to do some stuff. Hi. See, I told you it's gonna rain. Now it's about 5:30. I'm getting ready to cook. Thanks to my double for lunch and dinner method. So now I have a soup ready. Otherwise, I will have to eat at 7 only. So now I'm just gonna reheat the soup. I've taken out and defrost my salmon. So I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. I'm not gonna even fry it because I love my air fryer. I don't have to use any oil. After air frying, you will see that there is a lot of oil from this salmon that is gonna like come out, those juicy good omega, vitamin E, vitamin A, don't know whatever that is here, they are gonna come out from there. So it takes me about 12 minutes and this is perfectly done. Even if you forgot to defrost it, you can straight away put it in the air fryer. That's what I do on a busy weeknight. But because now it's a long holiday, I don't have to work, I got time to remember to defrost it, so I defrosted it. So I'm gonna adjust my timing to slightly lesser than I usually would. I showed you these tiger prawn rolls. There's so many of them, 10 of them. Probably gonna air fry about 8 or so, or maybe just 5. I don't know whether the kids will like it. I think they will like it because you see all this is covered with bean curds. It's gonna become very crispy after air fry. So when you dip it with a little bit of a sweet chili, nice. So this soup, and I will stir fry a veggie sawi. I washed it, cut it. I have even minced some garlic, so I'm gonna get cooking, and I'll see you in a bit. So actually, some of you actually asked me how I season my salmon usually. So very simple. I usually use oregano. Is this the balik? Oregano, garlic powder, as well as some Sarawak black pepper. If you do have Sarawak black pepper, that is okay. Is it? It's not focusing. Sarawak black pepper, that's okay. Just use any kind of black pepper, those ground one that you know people like Master Chef. Do whatever you can. Pepper and some salt, and that is all. Just in front, pushing it behind, pushing it. Very easy. You don't have to be like so like. Have to be like Master Chef. Master Chef, their style of marinating does not suit our Asian mouth. You know, I tried with those like what they put thyme and rosemary and oregano, you know, they put all this in their soup. I tried that. It's not that it's not nice lah. Sometimes it's nice, but maybe the way I cooked it is no good lah. And it's already being very fancy about cooking already. So simple ingredient. Even if you don't have garlic powder or oregano or other herbs, salt and pepper. As simple as that. Just sprinkle it on. Salt and pepper. So yep, I'm gonna start cooking before the kids wake up. They are still sleeping. So yes, look at all this. All this is what I mean by the oil coming out from the salmon. I did not use any oil at all to fry this salmon, you guys. Like seriously, this is from the fish itself. And some of you wonder what is the temperature that I use to air fry this piece of salmon. Temperature setting for the air fryer for salmon is 160 degrees for the first 8 minutes, and then 180 or 200 also can for the next 3 or 4 minutes. So total about 12 minutes I use to air fry this salmon. It's super good, it's super yummy. Let me show you our dinner tonight. First of all, is the leftover soup. Look at the color. Oh my goodness, it's so gonna be so flavorful. That's why I love the DLD, double for lunch and for dinner. The soup will be extra flavorful. Oh my goodness. And this is the salmon that I'm talking about. Look at it. Can you taste the yumminess? Oh, so good. This is the tiger prawn rolls that I have air fried as well, and this is the sweet Thai chili that's gonna go with this tiger prawn roll. And I have stir fried the sawi, some minced chicken, carrot, ginger, and onion. He's gonna eat it with some of the corn as well as the egg. Yep. Only 40 minutes, guys. I took 40 minutes to prepare all of this. Oh yeah, this corn is just like cut out from the remaining corn on the cobs that I have. So yeah, it is only 6:10. You know, it is only 6:10. I literally take 40 minutes only to prepare this thing. For the corn kernel, you can melt some butter or just sprinkle some salt to make it even more flavorful. But I normally do not do that because this corn has already like been incorporated. They are sitting in the soup for like the longest time. All the bao and the taste are in the corns already. So I just simply chop it off from the cob and just serve it as it is. So I hope you will try this method, double up for lunch as well as for dinner. If you are cooking soup for dinner, then consider cooking more soup so that you can keep it in the fridge just for the next day lunch. You don't have to keep it for the rest of the week, just for the next day lunch itself. You are already saving yourself a ton of time, energy, as well as money. Try it. Today we have this in the middle of the living room.
That's not this.
This is your what?